We'll guide you through how to make to-do list in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser on your device so you can begin working through the steps. After it loads, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the window. Type the word Notion into the search bar, then press Enter so your search results show up. From the list of links that appear, click the top website that looks most relevant, which should take you to the official page of Notion. When the site loads, log in with your account, or sign in if you have never made one before. Once you are on the site and it loads fully, look at the private section on the left side of the page and click the plus button located there. This will help you create something new inside your workspace. After the new page opens, look for the three dots below and click them to open more options. From the choices shown, select Calendar so the page switches into a calendar database that you can use for planning. When the calendar appears, rename the calendar database by clicking the title at the top and typing a new name that fits what you want to organize. Inside the calendar view, you can start adding your to-do list by clicking the plus button on the date you want. When the new item opens, give a name to the list by typing it into the title area. After that, set the date, due date, and time if you need them, making sure each one matches your schedule. Add tags inside to help sort your tasks into groups. Then add a checkbox property so you can mark the task as done later. Once that item is finished, go to the Setting menu and open Property Visibility. Inside this menu, turn on the visibility for date, property, and tags so everything you added will show properly in the calendar. After the settings are done, pick another date on the calendar. Click the plus button again to make a second to-do list. Give this second item a title by typing it into the name field. Just like before, set the date, due date, and time inside it. Add tags that match the type of task you plan to handle. Then add a checkbox property again so you can check it off once you finish it. By following each step in this order, you create a clear calendar setup with organized tasks that are easy to view and update whenever you need.